In this video, I am going to show you how to use your YouTube TV free trial to watch the Olympics. If you're a fan of the games and want to stream them without committing to a paid subscription, this guide will help you make the most of your trial. Let's get started. To watch the Olympics on YouTube TV during your free trial, start by signing up at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. Ensure that your subscription includes networks like NBC USA Network or Peacock Premium, as these are the primary broadcasters for Olympic events. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in and browse the channel lineup to find Olympic coverage. Use the Cloud DVR feature to record events and watch them later if you can't catch them live. If this video helped you learn how to use YouTube TV free trial to watch the Olympics, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.